I want to start this week's analysis, and first thing, let's try to understand what this Aussie Swiss franc has in store for us. All right, basically we can see that we are in an uptrend, downtrend, gang. We're in a downtrend, and all we're just going to look out for are strictly sell positions. All right, so let's try to understand what the market is trying to do in depth. So let's begin. First things first, I need to draw a trend line over here. You can see that the first touch and the second touch over here. All right, so first touch, second touch, then the third. I can see that the market did reject that, and let's continue. You can see we have this. I'm looking at the daily, gang, so then I can see there was a certain resistance over here. Actually it was a support, then turned to be a resistance. So that is, I can see that is probably where the market went to retest, and then we can call that a flip zone. All right, so that's what's up, and I can see that the market gave us that uptrend. So let's see what's happening at the H4 and see what's up. But first, let's just go back to the daily. I've seen something, gang. I've seen something the daily, gang. Look at this. We have this candlestick over here, right? This inverted hammer, right? Some almost looking like a dragonfly, right? Some are looking like a dragonfly, I believe so. Looking like a dragonfly. Yeah, let's see. I believe that's what's up. Is it an inverted hammer or dragonfly, whichever? So this is the dragonfly. Okay, so let's see. Inverted hammer. Okay, yeah, so you can see that's what's up. Yeah, so I was right. Inverted hammer. So let's continue. So this is what I'm talking about. That's just another signal for reversal. So let's go back to the H4 and try to understand if we can get our sell position over here. Right, so at the third touch, of course, we can see that we had that rejection. So let's see if we can zoom in and draw trend lines and try to understand what the market is doing. Okay, with that, so I can do this. Have this my trend. Come on, baby. Have this as my trend line. Boom, right there. Then I can see right there. Right. So I can see there's a support over here. Let's just see that clearly, I believe, at the H1 and see what's happening. Okay, all right. Oh, come on, there was a head and shoulder over here for a reversal structure or reversal signal, but I did not see that. But there's no problem, gang. There's no problem, right? Still, the market is still in an uptrend. So despite this formation of an head and shoulder, still can see that the market is still an uptrend. You can see the market has been respecting this trend line of ours for some time. So I believe the market might try once again to respect this trend line, right? And probably will try to go up. Maybe then that's when it will drop, maybe giving us now a double top. But those are just anticipation, right? So let me do that. If the market does not go back, guys, I need to see how the market is going to play around this support of ours that we just drew over here. So this is what I'm talking about. I need the market to do this. Let me just zoom in. Of course, from now I believe that the market will try to bounce off this support over here. You can see that the market has respected the support for some time. We have this, the first touch, second touch, the third, fourth, whichever. So I believe the market will try to go back, right? So this is what might happen over here, and I expect the market to give us some continuation pattern. And if that happens, if the market breaks out that continuation pattern, that is when we should take our sell entry, right? So this is what I might be expecting the market to do. Okay, so that is when we should be swinging this joint all the way back to the sender. This should be the target over here. All right, so if that happens, then we should take our sell entry over there, stop loss above now the new high that the market probably will have given us, then now take the trade up to this zone over there. So this is Aussie Swiss franc. I'll just add that to my watch list, right? So this is what I'll be looking at. So then I need to identify some of the sensitive zone that the market might try to bounce back or bounce off. So let me see something right here. Okay, all right, so we have this zone over here that the market has played around. Of course, let me do this. I can see that zone. Then there's this zone over here, but I believe the market might try to play around. So probably if the market does not give us this continuation pattern, then breaks, I'm expecting that the market will bounce off that support of ours, then now go back probably to retest this trend line of our support over here, which now will be our resistance turn. So this is what I'm talking about. The market might just continue dropping the way it is dropping without giving us this continuation pattern. Then now I'll be now expecting this continuation pattern just like this. Then now that is when I should be taking my sell entry. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. If this continuation pattern does not happen, I'm expecting this to happen. Then if that happens, if it breaks, then I'll take my sell entry over there, and that's what's up. So it's just a matter of time before that happens, and I believe you just have to wait and understand what the market will be doing before making a decision. Okay, oh yeah, I was in a position on CAD Swiss franc. I did take a sell entry on CAD Swiss franc last week on Friday because I saw a reversal head and shoulder, and you can see I'm almost taking my profit over there, guys. I believe I also gave out a video, was it on a Friday or Saturday, explaining how to trade this head and shoulder, the reversal and the continuation pattern. You can see I have this measured. The distance between this is the same as the distance between the neckline and the head, just like that. So that's why you can see that is the take profit over here. You almost being hit. My take profit is almost being hit. So currently I'm up 38 pips and I'm targeting 62, whichever. So I've already traded my stop loss over here. Let me show you. Stop loss was over here. Actually, I added a position basically when the market did break out of this and then go back. I did add a position over here. As you can see, that was up. So I have two positions, 48 pips and 62 pips. So that should be 110. All right, I believe it's 110 pips. So that's what's up. Anyway, that was a buy day. So let me see if I can see another pair. USD card, I was supposed to take a buy because I saw something great, but the market just shot up, right? So just avoid that. Let me see if I can get something in the next pairs. Okay. All right, yeah, I've seen. I have Eurocad also gave me an head and shoulder though. So we can see that we have the left shoulder over here. This should be the head over here. I believe this should be the left shoulder. Okay, so this let me see if I cut those heads. If I cut the shoulder, sorry guys, like this should be the case. I believe so. All right, so I'm trying to understand what the market is doing, but I believe maybe this was a fake out last Friday. We had that break to the downside, but I still believe that we should be going down, guys. Let me just do this because we had this high over here that the market did try to reverse from. Okay, so we had that, as you can see, that conference, right? So let's continue. So you can see that we're using a downtrend, of course, using a downtrend, and then okay, the market was in a expansion channel. Okay, and the market went up, bounced off these resistance over here. Now has given us some head and shoulder reversal, guys. So while I'm still I believe that the market will try to reverse on this joint. So let's see what's happening at the H4. I don't know why that pullback is happening. Let's see. For now I'll just maybe avoid this, but I'll be still monitoring this. I don't know what's happening, because the reason why I'm trying to avoid this is because let me show you this. If I do this, I can see that the market might try to continue moving in a sideways type of nature. It might be doing this, all right? It might continue ranging. So I will avoid that because I don't trade ranging market. So for me to take a sell entry, I need the market to give me a clear breakout. You can see I have this indication, so I just need a clear breakout to the downside, then market goes back for a retest, then I can see what to do. If the market breaks out of down from this retest, then now I'll take a sell entry, probably just like this, like that. Then now stop loss above that zone, done, swing all the way down. Okay, so I'll just I'll want to try to understand what the market is doing. For now, I don't want to take that trade, but I'm still going to monitor what the market will be doing, or how the market will be reacting to my support and resistance, because those are the key zones. All right, the golden zone, I need to see how the market is reacting to the support or the resistance, or let's say the demand, the supply zone. Okay, so let's continue. So far I'm only having Aussie, Swiss franc, right? Okay, let me see how I can see GBP AUD over here. So GBP Aussie, I believe it's in a flip zone, so because I can see this high over here, I can see this high, should be in a flip zone. Maybe this is a fake out before we go down, I mean up. So let's try to see and understand what's happening over here. I can see the market was in an uptrend, of course. Let's do this. Okay, the market was in an uptrend, but then broke out from that uptrend. And I can see we have a support zone over here too, that the market currently is trying to play around, right? So with this candlestick, gang, I can see this a rejection over here. Look at this candlestick over here, that's a good rejection. Okay, that's a hammer. So I believe the market will try, the moment the market breaks out of this zone, let me do this. That's why I believe that might be a fake out. This might be a fake out break before we go back to our usual buy position. So this, let me do this, come on baby, 10 10 10. So this, okay, so all I believe we just have to see how the market will break this resistance zone. So let's see that at the H4, the H4, what's happening. All right, yeah, I believe so. Yeah, that is what I'm talking about, baby. That's what's up. You can see that the market, right, I like this. Okay, I like these, right? So I can do this. The market was in a downtrend, baby. Okay, should we do this, or let me just, or rather let's just use the immediate ones. So the first, let's just do the first, second, and the third. Right, so the first, second, the third, right? So we're just anticipating the third touch over here. Let me draw this. Probably see how the market will do this, then maybe probably the market goes down, now breaks out of this zone. Okay, if that happens, then now we should go up. That is, we should be identifying a new high over here, then wait for the market to break out of that new high, and now swing this baby, swing this joint back to the center, should be all the way up. But this should be the target, the first target, of course. Don't want to be greedy. Okay, then stop loss should be down below this zone over here. Okay, it's just a matter of time. Let me try to understand what's happening. That's what's up. So just a matter of time, but then I'll need to see some reversal. Okay, let me see, let me do something. Okay, let me write something over here. Okay, okay, market breaks out. Okay, let's do this. Let's make that black. Okay, so let me do this. Make sure the market clear reversal pattern and take the entry, breaks out. Yeah, so that should be what's up. So I should be doing this. So that's just a reminder, right? So that is GBP Aussie. GBP Aussie should be in my watch list too. I'll be looking for buy entries only. If the market continues dropping, I don't know, I won't make any entry until I see good structures for sales positions. So that's what's up. And then let's see NZCHF. Oh right, NZCHF. Okay, still in a good flip zone though. Flip zone. So I can see we have a support over here which turned to be a resistance then. Okay, that's what's up. Generally we were still in a downtrend though, but I can see that the market did break out of our downtrend. Okay, so let's just make it from the immediate ones. First, second, third, market did break. So I don't know about this NZD Swiss franc. Probably if the market goes back and then closes below this trend line of ours, this is what I'm talking about. I think the market will come back, break out of this downtrend over here, probably then go back to give us a reversal structure before, let's say before taking our sell positions. Okay, so it's just a matter of time. I need a clear reversal structure, then I should be taking the sell entry only if the market the market goes back inside our trend line, because I can see that the market has broken the resistance, this trend line resistance over here, giving us probably a change of character that the market might trying to go up. Right, so just a matter of time. Rather, even if this does not happen, I want to see the market let me see this, the market retest this trend line of ours support, then now comes back or break out of this structure, then that's when you should be seeing if you can take our buy position. Right, so this is what I'm talking about. The market has to break out of this new structure that it did create, then that is when you should be taking our buy position. So that's what's up. Okay, so NZD Swiss franc, that's what's up. And make sure that you see reversal. I don't want to look into other pairs. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are enough for me for the week, but I won't take all the 4 trades, guys. Probably I might get one of the trade. I believe Aussie Swiss franc was almost playing out nicely, so this might be the case. I might take either whichever that will play out, and then I believe that will be good for the week. All right, because already I'm in CAD Swiss franc profit gain, and that's what's up. That's amazing. So I believe that's all, guys. So and see you next time, man. Adios, amigos.